Prime Channel has just brought us Class 4 Division 5A and B merge, race number 7, and the instant replay presented to us by Santa Ana Park, Saxon.
Patok.
And the race is on. Sound Value from the outside. Running by the Sweet Eliza. Down on the inside, Malihim rushing up Democrat. Number 4, Bobon Lancer, while enter number 3, Air the Truth, is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Sound Value. Leading the pack by some 3 lengths, followed now by Democrat. Running by the Sweet Eliza, and racing in forward by some 6 lengths, Malihim. Racing second last, Bobon Lancer, Air the Truth, is still running at the tail, the pill working towards the back. Sound Value leads by 2, followed by Democrat. And running in third by some 4 lengths with Eliza. Malihim still running in fourth by some 6 lengths. Bobon Lancer moving up now, Air the Truth. Inside the last 600, Sound Value maintaining at 2 lengths lead. Democrat still running in second. And running in third by some 4 lengths. Moving up is Bobon Lancer by the rail. With Eliza, Mariam, and Dare the Truth. As they race the final corner at still Sound Value, Bobon Lancer is sneaking down on the inside. Democrats on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Sound Value, Bobon Lancer moving up down on the inside. Bobon Lancer down on the inside, Sound Value on the outside, and finally it's a close finish, but I think Bobon Lancer. Sound Value